Setting goals for yourself is maybe one of the hardest things to do for yourself. That's probably why you clicked on this video in the first place. And I'm not here to tell you the biggest secrets to reach your goals. I'm just here to tell you my little tips to help you get forward to reach your goals. Of course, before we head into the details of the tips I'm gonna share with you guys, make sure to hit the like button, helps me out. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this in the future, and share your own tips with other people in the comments. The first question, of course, is why do we need goals as human beings? Well, that answer is quite simple. We as human beings need goals. We always feel the urge to reach something, to accomplish something in our life. And even when you do hit a goal, it gives you more motivation and ambition to reach new goals or bigger goals. Now, what can you see exactly as a goal? Well, a goal can be anything. Some examples are, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I want to hit 20,000 followers on Instagram, I want to sell 1,000 products on my website. The biggest problem for most people when they're trying to reach a goal is that they want it to happen as soon as possible, as fast as possible. They want it to happen overnight, they want to have success immediately. Don't expect things to happen like that. It may happen in a few cases, or it may have happened in a few cases in the past. But most of the time reaching your goals will take a lot of time, a lot of work, a lot of effort. But I believe if you keep on working, keep on grinding, and keep believing in yourself, you will eventually reach your goal, whatever it is. Now, you have different type of goals. You have, for example, end goals. Those are like the biggest goals you could reach. Like, I want to reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube this year. That's like a pretty big goal. And most of the time, the bigger your goal is, the harder it is to reach it. Also, in the long run, you will get less motivated if you don't see any growth, or you will be less ambitious, you will lower your goals just to reach a goal. What I found out for myself in order to reach a bigger goal is to make smaller goals, like sub-goals, in order to reach the big goal or the end goal way easier. Now, I want you to think about your goals as like in a video game, like especially video games that work with a challenge reward system. Like, you complete a challenge, you get this reward. For example, temple run. The farther you run in your level, or the farther you get, the more rewards you will get. So if your goal, your end goal, your big goal is to reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube, make sure you make some sub goals, because 1 million is a big number. My goal for YouTube is to reach the monetization goal, to reach 1K subs roughly by the end of this year. And my sub goals I categorize in 3 months, 6 months to a year. For example, this month I really want to reach those 50 subscribers. I know YouTube growth is exponentially, so I think if I put the work in, and I'm really gonna try to put the work in, I would be able to reach 1K subs by the end of this year, or maybe a little bit later, but that's like the end goal. Like, put some pressure on yourself, because you only gonna wanna work harder on your goals. The conclusion is that you will always be more satisfied by setting your goals like these, like having these little sub goals, like reward yourself. For instance, if I reach 50 subs, I will reward myself by maybe buying something for myself that I really want. So guys, I hope you learned something from my tips. Maybe you can apply this, or apply my tips for setting your own goals and reaching them even better or quicker. This is normally not the type of content I put out on my channel. I just wanted to see how this type of content works for my channel, for the people that are already following me. So I'd really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments what you think, if I should do more of these type of videos in the future. And also, don't forget to share your tips for reaching goals or being creative, or let it know in the comments. And leave a like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.